Hey guys, Creepy Cat here, and welcome back to another cubing video. I've got my collection of cubes in order from least favorite to favorite. Yeah, this is my least favorite. This is second least. I don't really use this anymore because it's really bad. It's bad. This is fifth place for me. Wait. Yeah, fifth place. Fourth place. I don't use this that much, but I use it. Third place. I don't use this that much, but I still use it. This I like a little more. There. Yeah. Yeah. Also on the table, a fidget spinner. But the cube that we're going to be using today for today's video isn't any of these. Yes, that is the cube that we're going to be using today. Gotta get these out of the way. Yeah. Yeah. Get these cubes out of the way. As you can see, something doesn't look right. The top is unstable, and just the top side turns very well. The other sides hardly turn at all. Corner cutting isn't that good. Also, it pops a lot. So corner cutting either means lockups Oh, that was actually successful. Wasn't expecting that. The corner cutting means pops. Okay, well, I got the piece back. Yeah, 2 pieces came out of that pop. Not very easy getting them back in. Yeah, this is a Rubik's brand speed cube, and yeah, Rubik's brand speed cube, but it pops all the time. Getting those pieces in is pretty hard. There. Doing even any algorithm at all. Pretty much almost any algorithm. Almost any algorithm. Pretty much any algorithm will cause lockups or pops. But that's all about to change. Hopefully. I want to get it fixed again today. and also get it better than ever. Yeah, getting this piece in is tricky, but yeah. Anyway, it just pops all the time. Just pops all the time. Yeah, there's just one piece needed more to get it to easily be fixed. I wonder where that piece could be. Where could it be? Is that it? Where is it? There it is. Yes, finally found it. Okay, now that I've found that piece, now it's time to get it fixed. And to do that, I need a screwdriver. Ding, ding, ding. What I have to do is use this screwdriver to pry this off. Then get the centerpiece off, making the entire layer come off. Before we do anything else, I want to do something. Vaseline. Of course. More of that stuff. Okay. Screw? Check. Plastic washer? Check. Screwdriver? Check. Cube? 2x3x3? Check. Oh, there's a lot in here. Okay, now and the tighter the screw is, I assume, the tighter this is. I don't know if this is right. I don't know if this is right. But I hope so. Okay, so now interesting. Fidget spinner. Not fidget spinner, but rubiks spinner. Now, getting the edges and corners in place. Corners? The corners are easy. Oh God, this will be tricky.
9 hours, 23 minutes, and 17 seconds later.
Well, at least I got it fixed. I did a couple tests to make sure it was solvable. It wasn't the first time, but I eventually got it solvable. And that's proof. Well, anyways, like and subscribe for more awesome videos, and I'll see you guys in another video.